Hey guys, I had to seize the opportunity. This is a shoe that I have wanted for so long, but the resale prices was super crazy. So when they restocked, your boy had to take advantage of it. And some of you guys are gonna be mad at me because some of y'all don't like my taste, but it is what it is. We're gonna hop into today's video and unbox these things, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video from your boy DeVintage, man. It is always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, come see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. And if you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you miss out on any content that we do drop over here. And like I always ask you guys, man, please do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video, man. That'd be greatly appreciated. Put us in the algorithm, and like I said, man, this shoe right here might make a lot of y'all mad, but it's my style, you know what I'm saying? This is your boy DeVintage, man. So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. All right, guys, so like I said, bro, this is potentially the last time these will ever release, and that kind of means one and two things. One, of course, they're not coming out again, and two, the resale will probably jump up to where these used to be prior to this restock, man. So if you guys have been hitting on anything restock wise, please let me know down below in the comment section. We had a crazy restock over the military blues, and a couple of weeks ago we got the Bread Reimagined restock on Jimmy Jazz and stuff like that. So if you guys have any crazy restock dubs, man, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm so glad that I waited to pull the trigger on these, because I swear I was so tempted to pull the trigger, and it was going for like $700-800 at one point. But again, man, that restock came in clutch, dropped it tremendously, and now we have the man. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I know the box kind of might give it away, but if you guys have not skipped through the video, you tuned in, you tapped in with your boy DeVintage, man, make sure you guys comment bumfuzzle in the comment section. Put it down below. Let me make sure you guys skip through, you tapped in. You guys some real ones, man. I appreciate y'all, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, because again, I told you, man, the box might give it away. You guys probably gonna know exactly what we have in here, something similar to what we might have. So let's go ahead and pop them open and see what your boy DeVintage got in the box, man. So let's go ahead and get into a huge box, and once y'all see it, it's gonna be a dead giveaway. So let's go ahead and pull these things out real quick and see what your boy DeVintage got, man. If you guys can comment, man, please let me know what you think it might be before we get into it. But I'm gonna show y'all, man, like 3 seconds. So let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. You guys see it, bro. I told y'all, a lot of y'all might be mad at your boy DeVintage. Some of y'all hate what I like, and that's so crazy to me. Just remember, at the end of the day, I'm a sneakerhead. I love buying shoes, love buying clothes and stuff like that. So I just come up on YouTube and share the experience and share you guys what your boy DeVintage has been grabbing. That's what it is at the end of the day. Everybody not gonna like your opinion. Everybody not gonna agree with you. So it comes with the territory doing YouTube. So I'm not tripping. But you guys can let me know how you feel about it, bro. We do have them finally. We have the knit runners, of course, made by Adidas and Yeezys. And the fish color reads sulfur, sulfur, and sulfur. They told me to go up a whole size, so I got these things in the size 10. Y'all see, y'all see what I just unboxed recently. And this one finally came in. So let's go ahead and finally see my pair that I've been trying to get for probably a whole year now. And we have them, bro. Super crazy pair of shoes, bro. The Knit Runner Yeezy guys, man. These are crazy. And I probably could have got away with a size 9. But again, I know you guys are going to hate these right here. But for everybody that do, man, go ahead and comment in the comment section why you don't like them. I know they're different. I know they're exotic. I know they're different, you know what I'm saying, exquisite, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to this style. But let's go ahead and get this box out of the way and check them out. These are huge. Again, I probably could have got away with the size 9, but I'm hearing there's a lot of material and foam and stuff on the inside, so I probably can't get away with this size 10 that they did send over. But man, these are crazy, bro. Look at it, man. Size 10 US on the side. I think it says made in the US, and it's supposed to be waterproof. And I've seen a couple water tests, and it does actually work. You know what I'm saying? It keeps that water out, water resistant, waterproof, and just overall a crazy pair of boots, man. This is wild, bro. I cannot believe I actually pulled the trigger. They retail for $400. But again, if you guys have been rocking out with your boy DeVintage, you've been tapped in with my IG stories, my YouTube videos and stuff like that, I always mention a couple different things that I've always wanted, and the Knit Runners is one that I seen at the event that got sold in Atlanta. I said, bro, I still need my size. I kind of reinvigorated my want, my need for these joints, and I waited, bro. I waited. My intuition told me to wait, and we got the last Yeezy restock, quote unquote. I still think that we might get another crazy Yeezy day sometime soon, but man, the material's really, really soft. Of course, I cannot rock these during the summertime because the inside literally feels, it already feels warm inside here, so I'll go outside wearing these, I'd be tripping. But overall, man, this is a crazy pair, bro. I have no words for these, bro. You got this nice canvas material on the upper, and it's really soft, really, really soft. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear my pants over this portion right here. But the thing that kind of got my attention was this rigid outsole, and of course the knit runner, how they come, you know, sunken in on the sides and on the inner. And I already know, man, the fit gotta be crazy. I know some people gonna be like, yo, what does he have on feet? And I'm gonna tell y'all, bro, I got one of the last knit runners to ever release, hopefully. And again, the resale is super high. I'm talking about when I first tried to buy these last year, they're going for like $600 and some on StockX, and of course the shipping, taxes, and fees. It took it to like $700 and a couple dollars, but I waited, man, and we finally have these things. And if it's any Yeezys that you guys do want to go out and get, man, this is the perfect time to do it, bro. If they are true to their word, if they really are not dropping any more Yeezys and Adidas, you probably should pull the trigger now. Don't even mind these shoes right here, but in general, bro, any Yeezys that you guys want, like Turtle Doves and Pirate Blacks, you guys know I really want to pair them. I sold my Zebras thinking that, you know, it ain't gonna be no end to Adidas and Yeezy. They're gonna restock a couple more times, and I sold them. So that's top 3 that I need to go back and add to the collection. But the first 2 that I was able to knock off the list that I really did want is the knit runners right here, the boots, and then the desert boots right here that's been sitting behind me the last couple videos, man. I cannot wait to rock these things. Cannot wait to rock these either. But again, I need the Zebras, I need the Pirate Blacks, and I need the Turtle Doves in the collection ASAP. If you guys got a size 9.5, hit your boy DeVintage up. And while I got y'all here, man, let's go ahead and throw these things on feet real quick, just so we can see how they look, how they feel, and all that good stuff. Yeah, man, we just threw them things on feet, bro. Super comfortable, I must say that. And the size 10 fits perfectly. Fits super perfect. So I'm glad I did not go to that size 9, because some things would have been hurting my feet, man. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Again, I hope you watch the whole video. Make sure you comment what I asked you guys to comment earlier in the video. So if you got to skim back, man, be a real one, and go see what your boy DeVintage is talking about, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Again, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. If you don't do nothing else, if you're just chilling, watch your boy DeVintage on a big stream, man, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like, man. Again, I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. All that's being said, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.